What's up guys, it's Bailey and welcome back to another video. In this video, I will review the JBL Xtreme Wireless Bluetooth speaker. This speaker has been out on the market for a few years now and I wanted to do a quick recap on it. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. I've owned this speaker for about a year now and it is still working as well as it did brand new out of the box. So on the left and right side of the speaker, there's going to be dual external passive radiators that show how powerful these speakers are. So on the top right here on the JBL Xtreme, there's going to be 6 buttons. The first one's going to be for Bluetooth, the second one's going to be for volume down, the third one's going to be for power, the fourth one is for JBL Connect. This is so you can connect multiple JBL devices so you can sync them all up together to get louder sounds. There's a volume up button and a play and pause button. On the bottom, there is a zipper that contains a couple ports on the inside. There's an aux, power, and a couple USB ports if you want to charge your device using the speaker as an external battery. The form factor of the speaker is quite big, but the big speaker comes with louder noise. And not to mention, the battery on this thing is marketed as up to 15 hours of continuous playtime. The exterior is also made of some sort of splash-proof material, which always comes in hand just in case if something gets splashed on top of it. So to power on the device, all you need to do is hold the power button for a couple seconds, and then it should make a noise signifying that it's on. If you want to pair it to your phone, all you gotta do is press that Bluetooth button one time, and then go on your Bluetooth device and try to connect it, like I do right here with the iPhone X. Once it's successfully connected, it will make a noise. And I will go ahead and play a song for you guys to show you guys how loud this thing gets. I know the microphone won't do this speaker justice, but I will show you guys how loud it actually gets. I am also adjusting the volume on the iPhone itself instead of on the JBL device. Like always, all the products I mentioned in this video will be linked in the description down below with the most up-to-date pricing if you wish to check them out. If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button, and if you guys have any questions about this product, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section down below, and I will catch you guys all in the next video. Peace.